In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Favorites menu on your new Pioneer AVH-110BT. So there are tons of different features on the AVH-110BT, and some of them you're going to want to get to quickly because you use them often. We'll use the Favorites menu to do that. So from any source here, I'm going to touch the gears. And look at the gears here. I can go to the toolbox, the color palette, the speaker, but at the top, there's a star. So let's check the star at the top. That's my Favorites menu, but you can see I've got nothing in my Favorites menu right now, so let's add a few of my favorite things in there. These are the things that I like to change very often. I'm going to go down to the speaker here, and down to my subwoofer settings, and let's take a look at speaker level. That's the one where I adjust the subwoofer to make it a little louder or a little quieter compared to the other speakers. I like to use that one a lot. So I'm going to go back up here to speaker level and touch that star beside speaker level, make it gold. And another one that I'm going to change is my bass boost here. I'm going to put a star beside bass boost. So now when I look at the star menu, there are the two things that I put in the star menu, speaker level and bass boost. Now I'm going to hit the X, and I'm going to use the radio like I normally would, but now I hear a song that I like and I want to add a little more bottom into that song or take a little bottom out of that song. Touch the gears. That takes me directly to the Favorites menu, and I have very quick access to bass boost where I can add a little more bottom into the system. Or there's my speaker level. I can add a little more subwoofer output or take a little back out. So let's go back up to that star menu here. We'll hit the X and go back to the gears. And there's the star menu, the Favorites menu. So now maybe I've changed my mind and I want to get rid of some of these things and put different things in the list. That's easy. Let's go back to speaker level and bass boost here. Here is speaker level. Just touch the star again to make it go away. Same thing with bass boost. We'll touch the star and make it go away. Now let's go back to the star menu or the Favorites menu, and you see those things have been erased. Put whatever you like in there. Maybe you like to change the colors on the in-dash receiver all the time. We'll change this to red right now, and we will put a star beside theme. And there we go. Theme is in the Favorites menu. When you're done making your adjustments there, you can hit the X to escape.